The wind is picking up, so we're gonna have a hard time sleeping. All right, guys, well, bro fist out.
The sun literally never goes down in Antarctica, so night one was rough.
It's the next morning, and I don't know if I'm supposed to get out of bed or not, because the sun's just always up.
Morning one, this is miserable.
Bro, Antarctica is not a fun place. I'm sick, man. I woke up coughing up blood.
Before you can leave your tent in Antarctica, you need long pants, a long sleeve shirt, a second pair of pants, a third pair of pants, a jacket for your jacket, a ski mask, whatever this is, gloves for your gloves, and goggles so your eyeballs don't freeze. Just by having all this on, I can still get frostbite.